Good morning. So we saw Nifty closing marginally up in yesterday's trading session. Marginally, I guess it was 4 to 5% up, closing at 5923. Yesterday night, U.S. market were also down, pretty significantly down, where it was almost 1 to 1.5% down. Today also, Japan has opened slight negative, so it is down around 0.5%. Even China is a bit tad down. So we expect that Nifty also will at least open down and will be in the negative or weakish zone today. To talk about some macro level stories where yesterday US came out with its private sector job data where the, the data has come positive, but it is not as per the expectation. So we saw the weakness in US market. To talk about some domestic news, we saw all real estate companies under pressure because of real estate regulation getting an approval from the cabinet. Though it is a long way ahead, where it will go in the next parliamentary session, it will go to the Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, and then finally getting converted into a bill. But it is a positive thing, at least for the consumer, where there and which will bring a transparency and standardization in this particular sector. Moving ahead with some stock specific news, we will see Biocon in limelight today, where it is trying to find a partner in US for its one of a drug for, regarding psoriasis. So it is the idea is to find a funding for its the psoriasis drug, which will help them to launch it in US. Third will be Fortis Healthcare, where it is planning to sell some of the assets in Vietnam and Philippines at a value of $400 million. This money will be used to reduce some of or part of its debt. So that will be a positive thing where reduction in debt will be taken in a positive manner by the market. Fourth will be Tata Motors, where actually Land Rover is planning to come out with a which is baby Jaguar, where it is a miniature version of Jaguar, where it is a small size version of a Jaguar, where the idea will be to make it small, affordable, and cheap on a fuel efficient also. So the idea is to promote more sales into this segment by bringing a small car in. Fifth will be the news came very late in the night, where government has raised the import duty by 2%, another 2% in for the gold, where now the total import duty for gold is 8%. This is an aggressive and panicking move from the government, where the idea is to curb the gold imports, where it saw a massive surge in last month import in gold. It wants to drastically cut down this kind of aggressive buying by the Indian people. So, but the another problem with this would be it would open some other ways of importing golds in India. So maybe smuggling or any other channels will get opened by this, because 8% duty on gold is too much. Where normal, uh, uh, it will increase the pressure on the price front, where the arbitrage, international to domestic arbitrage will pave its way. So that's all for today. We expect the market to be big today based on some global and domestic issues. We'll see you on Friday with the latest news from the today's session and maybe some updates for tomorrow's session. Thank you.